Let's look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab. It is connected to the internet, which is provided by this router here, which is a part of the installation. And the wireless network is called Danfoss DEN. Danfoss minus DEN is a name, and the password is ECL Portal with capital letters ECLP and then small letters with the rest. When you have the Samsung Tab connected to the internet, you can download the ECL Portal app if it's not downloaded already. On this tab it is installed, as you see. Otherwise you will go to the Play Shop. Now the Android market is renamed into the Play Shop, unfortunately, but it's the same. And you can search for Danfoss to find the apps provided by Danfoss. And here you'll find the ECL Comfort 310 Portal app, and you can see some description about the app, and you can also install it, but in this case I have already installed it, so I cannot do it again, but otherwise you would have to install it. Once you have it installed, you can execute it and use the same login information as you use for your user account, meaning ecldemo@gmail.com, and the password is ECL Demo 11. Then you will have access to the same ECL controllers as you have on your user account on the website. And you can access the exhibition ECL controller. And then you can see the information about temperatures and so on for this particular ECL controller that you have here in the exhibition, and you can see the state of the ECL controller, if the pumps are on and off and so on. You can also modify some of the settings. Change the mode into constant setback temperature, for example. Save it, and when it goes green, it means that it has changed the setting of the ECL controller, and you should be able to see it on the screen of the ECL controller. And this is simple in the lower left corner, which goes one screen back. But now you have the same menu, so again one more step back, and you have these menus, so you can change it. Settings for circuit 2, for example. But otherwise, you could use the app to demonstrate that you have an mobile and online tool for remote controlling and monitoring the ECL controller.